Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Jean. All right, it is time for us to start. In the past couple of days, we explored trust and self trust. And today I want to touch on the other side of trust, which is betrayal. Betrayal is so painful because at its core, it's a violation of trust. And it happens in relationships in which trust is expected or assumed. So when it's violated, we are often left shocked and we can struggle to believe what's happening. It can feel as if the ground beneath us has given way. Most of betrayals happen among spouses, romantic partners, friends, co-workers, and family members. And I'm sure that most of us have experienced betrayal on some level. Brené Brown says it is possible to heal betrayal, but it requires significant courage and vulnerability to hear the pain we've caused without becoming defensive. She says that in her research, they found that the only way back from betrayal is accountability, amends, and action. And none of these things are possible without first acknowledging the pain and possibly trauma we have caused someone without rationalizing it or making excuses. And just like an important aspect of trust is self-trust, in the same way, an integral aspect of betrayal is self-betrayal. And this is what I would like us to focus on today. So take a comfortable position. As always, take a few moments to settle in. Perhaps scan your body and acknowledge whatever is present for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Allow your breath to flow naturally, easily. Don't try to control it. Simply notice how your body responds to your breath on each inhale, each exhale. And now think back to a time when you have betrayed yourself, when you violated your self-trust while trying to make someone else happy. Maybe you said something that you didn't believe or did something you didn't want to do in order to avoid feeling left out. So sit with your thoughts and feelings around this for a few moments and just notice what's happening in your body. What are your actual physical sensations? Is your breath changing in any way? Your heart rate? Are you wanting to assume a particular posture or make some movement right now in order to make yourself feel better? Explore all of this without judgment. And now you may want to place one or both hands on your heart, connecting deeply with your essence, with your higher self. And very gently, start offering your higher self the words of Ho'oponopono mantra. Remember, the Ho'oponopono practice is about forgiveness, about reconciliation. So let's open the space of self-forgiveness and self-reconciliation now. Repeat after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. and I forgive myself. Simply repeat those words over and over again and pay attention to whatever comes, body and mind. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Continue on your own, noticing what are the emotions you're experiencing now. Maybe there's sadness, shame, blame, fear that come up. Let them be as big as they want to be, without trying to fix anything. Simply listen deeply within and continue with your mantra. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Remember, the brain has powerful defensive mechanisms against painful emotions, painful memories. So without any judgment, gently return to the mantra, to your breath, to your body. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Continue repeating the mantra over and over again. And perhaps by now you're experiencing some emotional or physical release that Ho'oponopono is designed to provide. Accept it without guilt. And if you don't feel any relief, don't worry. Remember, it's a process. So trust this process. Trust yourself. Trust that it is possible to heal betrayal and self-betrayal by courageously stepping into your vulnerability and owning whatever it is that brought you into the situation. Offering your amends to yourself in the form of Ho'oponopono is a powerful way to release all the subconscious roots of the self-betrayal, to untangle them. So simply continue on. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Continue on your own for a little while. I'll be silent. Continuously checking in. What's going on? What comes up for you? Body, mind, and heart. Owning whatever sensations, whatever emotions are brought up. Courageously accepting your vulnerability. trusting the process. Now let's do it one last time together. Repeat after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. How are you feeling now? Has anything changed? Body, mind, heart? If yes, wonderful. If no, see if you can accept this without frustration, knowing that practice makes perfect and that all you have to do is be willing to continue with your intention to heal. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice all the little self-betrayals you may be sucked in because you don't want to feel left out. All these times when you say yes when you actually want to say no. All these times when you do something to please another person even though you know you don't want to do it. And see if in these moments you can do a gentle Ho'oponopono clearing to open up a space for finding solutions that align best with your values so that you don't have to betray yourself. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.